Modern life is the life of hustle bustle, but the workload is being heavy to heavier. To utilize the short time, acupressure is perhaps the best procedure to maintain health. Today, I am going to introduce acupressure foot mat from its unboxing to my YouTube friends. You can see the trapezium shaped pack here. Yes, it's the trapezium shaped pack in which the acupressure pad is situated, and I am going to scissoring it, and you can see the tearings, the marks of tears, and it's for the transportation. See, it is the line through which I am going to scissor. Yes, I am going to scissor the back side, the corner side, the upper side, below side, and it's the total part. I mean acupressure foot mat, and I am going to scissor it. I am smoothly scissoring it. See, I am scissoring this, and it is now scissored. The upper side is seared. To open it, I am tearing it with a pressure, and here is the bill. Yes, I am showing this bill here. The total peripherals of this product, the identification of this product is here. This product quantity, that's the gross amount, discount, value, GST, and the total bill, packaging total. It is here, and I am going to open this. Yes, this cutting over there. Yes, here it is. See, I am going to open the pad. Yes, the back side is opened here, the front side. See the cardboard here, and see this, the pad, the sturdy pad. This is the pyramids and all. It is the middle part, and this is the magnet part. The biomagnets are here, the black side biomagnets, and over which is a thin paper here, and I am going to tear or open this thin paper, and I am opening this to totally open out the pad. And after the opening out, I am going to introduce you about its peripherals and more. See this copper. These are the biomagnets. These are the biomagnets. These biomagnets which will improve in you. That improves the metabolic activity. Yes, the magnets improve metabolic activity of the body. With the acupressure, these magnets improve the metabolic activity of your body. And now I am opening the total pack. Yes, it is totally out of the packet now. See, the Acupressure Mat 2000. The peripherals is here, the introductions and the product descriptions, new design. Why this new design? See, this new design enables you to press your foot logically or rightly. Say the energy ball, the middle side energy ball. I am introducing it after it, and see what's this energy balls. Yeah, this is the energy ball. This is the basic single point charger. It's an ideal tool added the Acupressure mat. I mean this mat. It is added to this mat for the specific sizes and the specific pressure. Result your point acupressure can give him the press by pressing the pyramid of the I mean these pyramids. According to the ancient wisdom, I mean since this pyramid you enable you to match and the charge your foot and wipe the pain from your body. And this is the biomagnets. 22 biomagnets here. These black size magnets. See, two magnets, high computer placed means it is placed through a computer management. Yes, it will improve in the metabolic rate of your body. See the numbers, yeah. See, one by one, see the numbers. These black colors are magnet. See, oh, that's magnet. There are also two copper buttons, this and this. The touch of copper will improve in your body. These magnets, micropoint chargers. Micropoint chargers means middle rate charger. I am showing it before, this middle upper side, I mean uplift side. See, leader bit the best. It's the pressure mat. I am showing you something. These are small chargers for fingers. I mean fingers. And I am showing you, my friends. See, one. I am placing my toe here, foot here, second foot. See how it is placed correctly. Yes, this lower side is totally completed through this upper side is. Yes, and now I am bringing back. See, these chargers are creating some hole like, but you may sure that it will not freeze your foot totally. Why? I am showing it later. See, this upper side, how improving your foot totally. This upper side is improving foot totally. I mean the blank side, the curved side of your foot, and this is the point, the middle point. This is for individual use. The best quality, best performance, best price. just under $2. Yes, you also magnet pyramids for total health. It may help. See closely. See upper side of the pyramids. The balls are here for not to freeze your foot but to help you for the pressure. The micro chargers all are here. See, all are here. See total what's here. Clearly I am showing this. Yes, see this is biomagnet. See it closely, very closely, you can see it. It's struck very tightly. I'm showing this each. These are the all you can see. The push points are here. This is the pump side. These biomagnets, these are real rings. Real rings means copper rings. And now the products, the pressure point. See the pressure point, the middle, red color size for the individual use. Yes, micro point charger, the corner, radials, and these green color is showing it's apart from the other pads. It is not haphazardly used. It is for perfect use. Fixed my points. This general information. What is acupressure? This Chinese science into reality. Now you can add this for your stress relief, pain relief, and free lifestyle. Yes, what is magnet? And finally, after read what is pyramid, after A magnet is. What is magnet? This is the promoter of the metabolic rate and flow of oxygen. Increased flow of oxygen into the cells, gland, nerves, and etc. And what is pyramid? Sacred power of the pyramid can help to heal and control pain. Healing field of pyramid takes you into the alpha, etc. See, it's for vibrant health. Means vibrant health. It will bring your health into a vibrant position. See, all channels here. What's magnet here? General information here. What is acupressure here? You may read these by uses. Who can use it? Other than above uses Acupressure Mat 2000 can be used regular mat as follows. See how to stand, how to walk, and how to adopt this, and how to get relaxation through it. See these last points. See this last point. Its symptoms process to consult your physician.